Hello and welcome to Jackie's Kitchen. My name is Jacqueline Njala. First and foremost, allow me to thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you're new in Jackie's Kitchen, you're most welcome. Hope you subscribe and come back again because it's in Jackie's Kitchen where we upload videos that are very simplified recipes that are very easy to follow, just to help you make your home cooking better and enjoyable. So in today's video, we're going to do fish. There are so many ways of making fish. You can roast fish, you can deep fry it, you can boil fish. But in this recipe, we're going to do fish in coconut sauce. So that's what we're going to do today. So you'll need a whole fried fish. This is tilapia fish, chopped onions, tomatoes, and coriander, minced garlic, and finally coconut cream. So for coconut cream, I like using Cara coconut cream. So we start by frying our onion in very little oil. We're not going to fry it to golden brown, we just want it translucent and the garlic fragrant. I hope you liked this recipe. You can enjoy this fish with either rice or ugali or however you like it. As for me and my house, this calls for a big ugali. Comment in the comment section below and tell me, what would you rather have this fish with, ugali or rice? I hope you have subscribed because very soon I'll be uploading a video. See you then.